Welcome back. So let's start creating this game. So as you see, we have 8 slides. So before we actually start anything, let's open a new PowerPoint. I already have a new PowerPoint. I have one slide. And so on my first slide, I'm going to add the title of the game. So the title of my game is Street Racer. So here we have actually empty text boxes, so we can actually type, but we won't actually need the second text box. So we can right click on the gray line and press the delete key on the keyboard just to hide that. And here we have Street Racer. Now the text is rather bland, so let's change the appearance. Let's click on shape format. This is our ribbon, and we have several tabs on the ribbon. We'll be transitioning between each tab, just to utilize quite a bit of features available in PowerPoint. And just going to choose a design that we actually like. So here we have some text effects, and I'm just going to choose a glow effect, and here's the glow effect. So if you can see, the outer lining is blue. I'm going to change the text fill to white, and there we have Street Racer. The next thing we'd like to do is actually change the background. In the last game, notice that there was a consistent background, the street. Now that's actually an image. And so you can find that image in the assets folder. So I'm going to click on the design. So we can insert images in PowerPoint, which we'll be doing shortly. But we want to change overall design. And so we'll be heading to the design tab, clicking on form a background. Now we should be seeing some options. You might actually see a window pop up based on the version of PowerPoint that you're using. I'm going to choose a picture or text fill, and quite a lot of options here, but we're going to look for the insert picture from, then choose file, and then we're just going to find that file. So here I'm in images folder, and here's a street. Just click on insert, and there we have it. Before you actually close this by clicking the X, ensure that you click apply to all. What that will mean is that when we add a new slide, the default background will actually be the street. So far, here's Street Racer. We're going to change the size, so we're going to click and drag. So you can click anywhere, highlighting, head to the home tab and just change the size. So mine is 96 and I'm bold. Feel free to change the font to your liking. There it is, Street Racer. So let us right click on the first slide. Let's click on new slide, and here is slide number 2. We're just going to do that, and so now we'd like to include the start button that we saw earlier. So we're just recreating it. So the start is actually a shape. So we're going to head to the insert tab, click on shapes. I'm just going to look for that shape. And here is a hexagon. Feel free to use any shape that you like. Tons of options. I'm just going to use the hexagon here. And I'm just going to click and drag. And there we have it. Now I'd like to write start inside the shape. So I'm going to right click on the shape and click edit text. Now I can actually write start. Again, it's really small. So let's highlight the text, head to the home tab, and change the font size. Change mine to 60. And there's start. Again, similar to how we formatted the text street racer, we can, if we click on the shape, we should be seeing another tab, shape format, and we can choose any one of the formatting options that we like. And going with the green with the white outline. There's the blue, there's the yellow. Yep. Green means go. So there you have it. Start. Now, we'd like to do one more thing on this slide. Well, two more things actually. We'd like to head to the Insert tab. We'd like to ensure that we have selected the hexagon, and we would like to click Action. So on the Insert tab, select the hexagon, then click on Action. Now, what this means is that we're actually specifying what should happen whenever we click on the hexagon, the Start button. So we want it to actually head to a slide, like a link. So we want to choose an option that says Hyperlink. Instead of saying to the next slide, we're going to click on the Slide option and choose Slide 2. So whenever we click on the Start button, it should take us directly to Slide 2.